Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, and today let us discuss about Gauss-Jordan method. Children, so far we have discussed about Kramers method and inversion method. There we used to solve with only coefficient matrix, that is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. And what is the variable matrix? X is equal to X, Y, Z. And what is the constant matrix? D equal to D1, D2, D3. So what is the matrix equation? That is Ax is equal to D. With this we use it to find Kramers method and inversion method. Whereas coming to Gauss-Jordan method, we have to consider augment matrix, that is called as AD. Augmented matrix AD. So what is A, children? A is called coefficient matrix and D is called constant matrix. That we have to combine and write A1, B1, C1, D1. A2, B2, C2, D2. A3, B3, C3 and D3. This is called as augmented matrix. Okay, children? And one more important point. So don't think that Gauss-Jordan method is a toughest method. Simple method only this is. What to do? We have to make it as, we need to transform the given system of equations into 1 0 0 x 0 1 0 y 0 0 1 z. We need to transform the given system of equations into this form. So this x, y, z is our answers. So for example, children, consider the system of equations 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 18, 2x minus y plus 8z is equal to 13, 5x minus 2y plus 7z is equal to 20. These are the given system of equations. So what we need to do? We need to write first augmented matrix, that is coefficient matrix 3, 4, 5, and we have to write constant also. That is called augmented matrix. We can say that AD. And then 2 minus 1 8 13, and then 5 minus 2 7 and 20. This is called as augmented matrix. This we need to solve now. What to do? We need to transform this into in this form. Okay, first row, first column, element should be 1, these two remaining 0. 0 1 0 0 0 1. These are the some constant values you will get. It may be 3 1 1. So that is the answer for the given system of equations. Children, remember, we need to transform this matrix into this augmented matrix into this form. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This will be some constant values. So those are the answers, right? Now children, when we are solving the given system of equations by using Gauss-Jordan method, we need to apply some transformation, that is row transformations. Okay, so the first and foremost point is here. We need to see first element, that is the position is 1 1, row 1, column 1, element is 1. We should make, that is row 1 and column 1 element is here. Here it is 3 children. We need to make it as 1 children. What to do? See children, we can make it as these 3 as 1 by row transformation. I mean, see here, actually here, this is called row 1 children. So actually here we have 3 children, but we want as 1 here. So what I will do? I will subtract row 1 I will subtract row 1 minus row 2 children. Because I need here 1, right? But here we have 3. If I subtract 3 minus 2, I will get 1, right? So what I am doing? Row 1 R1 times 2 R1 minus R2. See, if I subtract 3 minus 2, I will get 1, right? That is the reason I am subtracting R1 minus R2. As we know that we want this is 1. So 3 minus 2, 1. So this will be applied to the whole column, children. This will be applicable to the whole column. That is 4 minus of minus 1, 5. 5 minus 8, minus 3. 18 minus 13, 5 children. Remaining rows as it is 2, minus 1, 8, 13, 5, minus 2, 7, 20. Okay children, this is our first transformation. Now the thing is, listen carefully. Now we have to make it as row 2 and this row 2 as 0. Row 2 first column we need to make it as 0, as well as row 3 first column we need to make it as 0. So when you are transforming these 2 and 5 as zeros, then that time we need to do with the row 1 only. Children, see, I want to make it as 0. How can I make it as 0? This I want to make it as 0. Here 2 is there, I want to make it as 0. Here 5 is there, I want to make it as 0. So 2 is in row 2, I want to make it as 0. Row 2, I have to do with row 1, that is 2 R1 children. Why I was doing with R2 minus 2 R1? See children, here R2 is 2 minus 2 into R1. R1 means what here? 1. 2 minus 2 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 how much? 0. As I was getting 0 here. Yes, that is the reason R2 tends to what? R2 minus 2 R1. So first row as it is children. This is first one. And R3 also I want to make it as 0. So here actually I have 5. So R3 tends to, here 5 is there, but I want to make it as 0, that is R3 minus 5 R1. R2 minus 2 R1, R3 tends to R3 minus 5 R1. R3 minus 5 R1. Why I want to? See children, if you want check it once. R3 here 5 minus 5 into R1 is 1 children. So 5 minus 5 1 is 5. How much I got? 0. So let us make it as these two elements as 0. Yes, I can. So first let us see row 1 as it is 1, 5 minus 3, 5. R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R1. See children, 2 minus 2 into 2, this will become 0. Yes. Now see, here R2 what? Minus 1 minus 2 into R1 what? R1 is 5 children. Minus 1, 2 5 is 10. Minus 1 minus 10, that is minus 11. That will be applicable to the whole row children. Okay. Now coming to element 8. Here R2 is 8 minus 2 R1. 2 into R1 is minus 3. 8 minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6. 8 plus 6 how much children? This will be 14. Now coming to element 13. R2 tends to what children? R2 minus 2 R1. R2 is 13 minus 2 into R1 is 5. 13 minus 2 5 is 10. 13 minus 10, 3 children. The thing is, this element we want to make it as 0. Then we did. Other elements also it will change when we are doing whole transformation. Now the third row is we want to make it this element 5 as 0. For that what we are doing? R3 minus 5 R1. R3 means 5 minus 5 into 1. See children, R3 is 5 here, minus 5 into R1 is 1. 5 minus 5, 0. So this will be 0. Now coming to element minus 2. R3 is minus 2 minus 5 into R1 is 5 minus 2, 5 5 is 25, minus 2 minus 25, that is minus 27 children, minus 27. Now coming to element 7, R3 is 7 minus 5 into R1 is minus 3, 7 minus into minus plus, 5 3 is 15, 7 plus 15, that is equal to how much children? 22. Okay, now coming to element 20, here we have R3 20 minus 5 into R1 is 5, 20, 5 5 is 25, 20 minus 25, that is minus 5 children. Okay, so the first colon successfully be completed as 1 0 0. Now the second one is what children? The thing is we need to make it as this element. I mean this we need to make it as 1 children, right? That is R2 times 2, here we have minus 11 children, here we have minus 11, this we need to make it as 1 children, that you remember. Yes, this we need to make it as 1. Yes, for that what I have to do, this element, what is there here? Minus 11, I want to make it as 1 because I want 1 here. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, the thing is here, second one we need to make it as 1. So here we have actual element minus 11. So what I will do, here I have 11 and here I have 27. Let me multiply R2 times 2 minus 5 into R2 plus 2 into R3 children. Minus 11 into 5 plus 2 into R3, because here children see here minus 5 into R2 is minus 11 plus 2 into R3 is minus 27 children. Minus 5 into minus 5, minus into minus 5, 5 11 is 55 minus 2 into 27, 27 2 is 54. So 55 minus 54 how much children? 1, right? So let me, so row 1 as it is, let me write here 1 5 minus 3 5. See here children, minus 5 into 0. See, first element let me do R2 times 2, right? Minus 5 into 0 plus 2 into 0. 0 into something 0 only. This is not at all affected. Let it be 0 only. Next. So second element is what? I want to make it as 0. So that is minus 5 into minus 11 plus 2 into minus 27. 55 minus 227 is 54. 55 minus 54, that is equal to 1 children. That is equal to 1. Now coming to third element, that is 14 minus 5 into 14 plus 2 into 22. 14 5 is 70 plus 22 2 is 44. 10 minus 4 6. 6 minus 4 2, that is minus 26 children. This will become minus 26. Now coming to element 3, minus 5 into 3 plus 2 into R3 is minus 5 minus 15 minus 10, that is equal to minus 25 children, right? Now third row as it is, 0 minus 27 22 minus 5 children. Okay, what we did here, we got 1 in this step, right? Now coming to what we have to do, now we need to make it as this element 0, this element 0. I mean this 5 we want to make it as 0 and this minus 27 we want to make it as 0. How? Yes, if you want to make it as 0, that is, if you want to make it as 0, this R1 tends to R1 minus 5 R2 children. See, R1 tends to R1 minus 5 R2 children. Because see, we want to make it as this element as 0. See, what is R1 children? For example, here R1 is 5 minus 5 into what is R2 children? 1. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5? 0. Yes? Yes. Let me see, R1 1 minus 5 into R2 is 0. 1. 5 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 1. So first element is not affected as it is 1. So what about second one? Element 5. R1 is 5 minus 5 into R2 is 1. So 5 minus 5 0. This will become 0. Now coming to minus 3 minus 5 into R2 is minus 26. Minus 3 minus into minus plus 5 6 ja 30. 5 2 ja 15. 5 2 ja 10 plus 3. 5 6 ja 30. 3 5 2 ja 10 plus 3 130. 130 minus 3, that is equal to 127. Now coming to element 5. 5 minus 5 into minus 25. 5 plus 25 5 ja 125. 125 plus 5 130 children. Okay, we got R1. Okay, now R2 let it be as it is 0 1 minus 26 minus 25. Now the thing is, I want to make it as R3 as 0. This element also I want to make it as 0, right? So R3 turns to R3. Actually here I have minus 27. If I add 27 to this, R3 plus 27 R2 children. R3 turns to R3 plus 27 R2. See, 0 plus 27 into 0 0. This is 0 only as it is. Now coming to this, minus 27 plus 27 into R2. 27 into 1. Minus 27 plus 27 1 ja 27. Minus 27 plus 27, we make it as 0, right? Yes. Now coming to element 22. R3 as it is children 22 plus 27 into R2 is minus 26 children. So 22 plus into minus minus 27 into 26. 6 7 ja 42. 6 2 ja 12 plus 4 16. 2 7 ja 14. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5 2. That is equal to minus 7 or 2 children. Minus 7 or 2 minus, that is equal to minus 680. This we got as minus 680. Now coming to last one, R3 turns to minus 5 plus 27 into minus 25 children. 27 into 25. 7 5 5 7 is 35. 5 2 is 10 plus 3 13. 2 7 is 14. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. So minus 5 minus 675. That is equal to minus 680. Okay children, we got so what do you do as we got here also 0 1 0. Once if you observe third row, here also we have minus 680, here also we have minus 680. What you do children, you divide R3 by minus 680, so that for our calculation will become easy. So first row as it is 1 0 127 130. Second row as it is 0 1 minus 26 minus 25. 0 by something 0, 0 by something 0. Minus 680 divided by minus 680 1. Minus 680 divided by minus 680 1 children. See, simply we got here 1. Now see, we have 1 1 1. All three ones we got. Now the thing is, we have to make it as this element 0, this element 0. I mean, this will become, this we want to make it as 0, this we want to make it as 0. So what you do, R1 tends to do with this only. R1 tends to R1 times to see children. With 1 only we have to do. R1 with R3, again R2 with R3 only. So what I will do, R1 minus 127 R3. Okay. Now I want to make this element also 0. That is R2 times 2. Here R2 minus 26 plus 26, right? Plus 26 into R3 children. Children, are you understanding? Because we want to make it as 0, 127. So 127 minus 127 into 1. It will become 0, right? Yes. So R1 is 1 minus 127 into 0, 1 only, it will not affect. This also it will not affect. R1 is 127 minus 127 into 1, 127. 127 minus 127, 0 children. Next, here R1 is 130 minus 127 into R3 is 1. 130 minus 127, which is equal to how much children? That is 3. Now coming to second row. Second row is what? R2 times 2 R2 plus 26 R3. R2 means 0 plus 26 into 0, 0 only. This is as it is. R1 means R2 means R2 means 1 plus 26 into 0. This will also not affected. Now coming to here, R2 is minus 26 plus 26 into R3 is 1 minus 26 plus 26, that is 0. This will be 0. Next. What is R2 children? Minus 25 plus 26 into 1. Minus 25 plus 26, that is equal to 1. This will become 1. So the third one is as it is, 0, 0, 1, 1. See children, we have transformed 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and this is our x value, that is 3, and this is our y value, that is 1, and this is our z value, which is equal to 1. Yes? One thing you have to remember children, this matrix. We need to transform the given system of equations into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and this will be x, y, z. Those are the answers of the given system of equation. Children, this method is little bit tough only. I mean calculation part only. So once if we go slowly while doing, you will get the answer easily. So I hope you understood this method children. Thanks a lot. If you like, you subscribe my channel children. Thank you.